Is your computer running slow? Are you tired of the spinning wheel of doom every time you try to load a new program? Well, brace yourselves as we dive into the world of quick and easy solutions to speed up your laptop or desktop. The first step involves the use of the run command prompt. Now don't worry if you're not a tech wizard. This is a simple technique everyone can use. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open up the run command prompt. Now type in prefetch and hit enter. A window with a bunch of files will open up. Don't panic. These are just temporary files that your computer doesn't need anymore. Go ahead and delete these files. This will free up some space and give your computer a little boost. Now on to the next step. Repeat the process of opening the run command prompt. This time type in %temp% and hit enter. Again, you'll see a window filled with files. These are more temporary files that your computer has been holding on to. Delete these files as well. Our third step involves another round with the run command prompt. Open it up, type in temp and hit enter. You guessed it, more temporary files. Delete them and you're already on your way to a faster computer. Finally, we are going to use the command cleanmgr. Open the run command prompt one more time. Type in cleanmgr and hit enter. This will open up the disk cleanup utility. Here you can choose which files to delete. It's a good idea to get rid of temporary internet files and thumbnails. To summarize, we've learned 4 simple steps to speed up your computer. 1. Use the run command prompt to open prefetch and delete the temporary files. 1. Open %temp% using the run command prompt and delete the temporary files. 1. Open temp using the run command prompt and delete the temporary files. 1. Open cleanmgr using the run command prompt and use the disk cleanup utility to delete unnecessary files. So there you have it. A few simple steps to give your computer a much-needed boost. Remember, a clean computer is a fast computer. Happy computing!